In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the theme in Cursor AI in just a few simple clicks. If you spend a lot of time coding, choosing the right theme can make your workspace easier on the eyes, help reduce distractions, and even improve your overall comfort while working. So whether you want a dark theme, a light theme, or just something that looks better to you, this quick guide will walk you through the process step by step. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tips. Alright, let's get started. First, open Cursor AI on your computer. Once the app is open, look for the gear icon, which is usually located in the lower left area of the window. This gear icon is where you can access your settings, so go ahead and click it to open the settings menu. After the settings panel appears, look at the left side of the screen. You should see a list of settings categories there. Scroll or look down until you find the appearance option, then click on it. This section controls how Cursor AI looks and feels, including the visual style of the editor. Now that you're in Appearance, look for the Theme section. You should see a drop-down menu next to it. Click on that drop-down and Cursor AI will show you the available theme options. At this point, all you need to do is select any theme you want from the list. You can choose the one that best fits your preference, whether that's a darker theme for low-light coding sessions or a lighter theme for a cleaner look. Once you click your preferred theme, Cursor AI should apply the change right away. If it doesn't update instantly, give it a second or check whether the app needs a quick refresh. And that's it. You've successfully changed the theme in Cursor AI. It's a very simple setting, but it can make a big difference in how comfortable your coding environment feels. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Cursor AI tutorials, beginner-friendly app guides, and quick software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.